Hey guys, it's Aline here and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this unit. I actually got this unit. It's a T frontal. Yeah, I've gone ahead to plug and plug to make it more realistic because it was looking so square-like. And then the cap is a little too small for my head. So let's see how we're gonna make this work. I'm gonna cut it in the middle. Yeah, like that. So I can do it in section. So what I'm doing is just that I'm trying to make it fit from ear to ear first before I go in with my even lace wonder. So the hair came all the way here, so I had to pluck so that it goes back a little because it was too forward for me. It didn't really mimic my hairline, so I had to pluck it out. So I'm just gonna use this to spray it down. Oh, shit. I could have done it on my skin before laying the hair down on it when it started enough, but the cap is too small for me. If I do that, I might not really get it the way I want it to be. So I'm just gonna do this way. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna tie it down. I'm just gonna leave it this way for like 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so let's see. So I'm gonna use these scissors to take off the remaining lace. So I'm trying not to cut in a straight line. Yeah. So this is what we have. I'm still going to spray it with more even lace wonder, then tie it down again. Oh my goodness, my brains are about to burst. So, yay. me see. I'm gonna use a dark shade of powder. Is this dark enough? It's not showing that it's dark on the camera. Okay. Mix it with this. So I'm going to use water to bring back the colors. Then I'm going to use a little bit of conditioner, Mega Growth Hair Conditioner. I'm so happy that I'm getting good at my installation. I'm getting good at wig installation and I'm so proud of myself. 2 years ago, I wasn't like this. I was a mess. But today, get in here. So this brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like if you haven't already and subscribe if you have not. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.